Imagine waking up and every human on Earth is gone. No cars, no voices, no cities alive.
What if, overnight, every human disappeared and dinosaurs took their place? Not in the past, but right now. Modern cities, modern technology.
It begins at midnight. No warning. No explosion. No signal. People vanish. Entire cities go silent. Phones drop.
Look how fast that one is going.
A high-stakes chase across the plains, followed by a silent predator and the coordinated precision of a raptor pack. A high-stakes chase across the plains, followed by a silent predator and the coordinated precision of a raptor pack.
We take the South Pass here, it cuts off 2 days.
It's too exposed. We should circle back towards the ridgeline.
We're running low on supplies, we have to risk it.
And then you see it, a group of dinosaurs, standing still, looking directly at you, not attacking, not moving, just watching.
If you made it this far, you survived, at least in this story. But tell me, what would you do if this happened for real?